you were doing.
Helping them out.
Because Rick is the one, the president right now, that told me that he put me as leader of the refs. And I'm here to coach you with what that bullshit was.
Kyle is the leader. We want Kyle.
Do you understand what you...
Let him go. Let Jarrett go. Let Jarrett go.
Okay, I'm on Team Jarrett now.
I mean, damn. We got all sorts of crazy shit going on tonight.
That Rick Elsey, that's crazy.
Are you guys ready for the next match?